Alright, so here's a key fob, and here's a board of a replacement key fob. So this one came out of this one, right? So what I did was I took out the board, peeled off the gasket, and I took off this little button right here, took off that little button, and I soldered it onto the old board. And the problem was that the client, look at my finger how white it gets. See that? He would just basically ram this thing all the way down, and he just broke the buttons. So he's been dealing with this for a while, and what I'm doing here is a repair of a key fob. So repair meaning we keep all the old stuff on and we only replace the bad part, which is the button. So I took off the button from here, which was bad, which was the open. You can see it works fine. So I took it. Now this is bad. This is my solder. I just put a little bit of solder here so the joint could be, so when I peel it off it could be a lot easier. But basically what I did was I just took my welder at 600 degrees. It's in standby mode. In heat up mode it's at 650, 657. So I heat it up, and I put the solder tip on each pin, and I gently pry it off as I'm going. So as an example, if this button was right here, I would actually go in the top. If I was going to do the top left solder joint, I would put my pincers right here to the side, wedge it right in between it, and then heat up that solder joint until I hear it click. It'll click on, you'll feel it. Then you do the other side, click it out, then all four sides, and then boom, you got your button out. Now you need to pay attention to orientation. So if this button is sideways like this, you should make sure you should try to mark it. Make sure that it's marked down, down, and you put it the same way on the other board. And you just so when you go to put it on the other board, same thing. You just lay it on there. You heat up one solder joint at a time. Make sure it sticks. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, and that should be it. Then all you have to do is just test it. Put it back onto the board and test it. I mean, put the board back onto the battery. No, just put the board back on. Put everything back together and test to see how it works. And this is the result. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's how it should work. And now all I have to do is just bring it back to the customer and test it out over there. It should work. All I changed was a button. So let's see how it goes.